This week on the Sunday ride, we cycle from Ko Tao in Thailand to the Malaysian border, where we get back to the mainland of Thailand, celebrate Christmas on the bikes, and visit beautiful Khao Sok. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride.
Good morning, it is a new week and we're back at the mainland of Thailand after having spent a couple of days in the island of Ko Tao, where I did some snorkeling, diving, exploring the underwater world, which was really amazing. And yesterday we wanted to take the ferry back to the mainland, but an hour before we arrived at the dock, apparently the boat that we were supposed to take sank in the ocean because of the rough sea. So that was pretty worrying, but luckily everyone was alright, no injuries, and we were able to take the ferry today back to the mainland. So we're here now, and another thing we did in Ko Tao is picking up our new team member. That's Tom. He's a fellow cyclist, also started in Amsterdam, and we briefly met before in Georgia for an hour or so, but now we're finally able to get on the road together. So very nice, 3-man group right now, and we're going further down south. So one thing I haven't mentioned yet is that today it is the 24th of December. In other words, tonight it'll be Christmas Eve. And obviously we're in Thailand, and the Christmas vibes here feel a little off for us, especially with the 30-degree and very humid weather around here. So in order to get back into the Christmas mood, we bought ourselves some Christmas decorations and decorated our bikes. Merry Christmas and a very good morning. Yesterday night we had a very lovely dinner in the town nearby with very good food and very nice wines. Really enjoyable. And today we took a day off from cycling. We're going to Khao Sok, presumably one of the most beautiful parts of Thailand National Park. It was not on the route, so we rented a car, and I think it's time to explore. Good morning. We are back on the bikes after having spent Christmas here in Krabi. We had some really nice dinners with the boys, and we also visited Khao Sok National Park. We weren't very lucky though with the weather. It was very grey, cloudy, rainy, but nevertheless it was very, very beautiful. Really enjoyed it. And usually people tend to take it easy after Christmas, but not for us, because we're planning to celebrate New Year's Eve in Kuala Lumpur, which is still a long, long way from here, so let's get to it. After 2 long cycling days from Krabi, we nearly arrived at the Malaysian border, and so it's time to say goodbye to Thailand. Thailand has been absolutely amazing. It's so beautiful, the roads are great, very cycling friendly, so really enjoyed it over here. But unfortunately I can't stay much longer because we're planning to celebrate New Year's in Kuala Lumpur. So the pressure is on, the clock is ticking, and let's waste no more time. Across the border into Malaysia.
Next week, you'll see how we're cycling through Malaysia, taste Michelin-worthy street food, and we're attempting to cycle a ridiculous distance in one day. But that's it for this week, and I'll see you in the next one.
Hi there, thank you for watching this video up until the end, and did you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe down there, or click on my face right there. It really helps me a lot, so thank you. I would also like to remind you that I am making this trip in order to raise money to build a school in Africa. For more information or donations, click on the school right next to my face. And while you're at it, don't forget to follow me on social media as well. Links down in the description below. See you next week.